And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is a Mrs. Hinch home inspired eBay haul. So all the things I'm going to show you, which you guys would have seen in the thumbnail, are all from Mrs. Hinch, and yes, I purchased them on eBay because obviously our local home bargains don't really have much anyway, and I really wanted to grab my hands on all of the second phase, shall I say, of the Mrs. Hinch home decor before she releases even more. So I wanted to grab as much as I can. I do want to get some more stuff, but I've got to wait to see what comes out. I've still got to grab my hands on the face flannel, the bath towel, what else? I think that might be the only two left, and maybe like the flowers and the vase maybe, but I just picked up a few more bits here, so I'm going to show you guys of what they are, what they look like. There is a second lot. I will explain more anyway throughout this video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If anything you see throughout this video and you think, oh my god, I actually quite like that, go into your local home bargains, go to the Mrs. Hinch section, and it depends on what home bargains you go to. Obviously I live in Sheerness, so in the Sheerness area, our local home bargains don't really have that much of the home range of Mrs. Hinch, but I have seen on Instagram that other home bargains around the country have loads more different stuff. Some home bargains are bigger stores than others, so you'll be able to grab a lot more than other people, but just adventure on different kind of home bargains so you guys can see what kind of variety stuff that they actually have. But check on the Home Bargains website as well. They do refresh their page every so often. They've got like bedding on there as well. I want to try and get, like I said, the hand towel and the bath towel. It'll probably be after the wedding now. But yeah, I grabbed myself these from eBay, and I'm about to show you of what I got. So starting off with the kind of the breakable bits. Okay, so I've actually purchased these before, which you guys would have seen in the last eBay haul from Mrs. Hinch. So I actually got another one of these. So this is like a tumbler. So I've got another set of these. So the only reason why I got two sets is because I couldn't find the toothbrush, not toothbrush, I keep calling it a toothbrush, but it's not a toothbrush, it's a toilet brush holder on its own. So I had to buy the whole set again, but it doesn't matter because I can use these for other things as well. So obviously the one set can be for like the bathroom, and then the others can be for like kitchen, and I can pop like little sponges or something, or the dishmatic in here, you know, pop that on the sink or on the windowsill in the kitchen, and I can pop the dishmatic in here as well. I've seen loads of people style so many of these up as well. So yeah, I've got another one of these. Again, you don't have to buy them all as a set, you can buy them separately. That is why Mrs. Hinch done them all as a separate, so then people can just pick out of what ones that they want. You don't have to have the whole complete set and think, oh my god, like I only needed one thing, why did I get all of it? So that is why Mrs. Hinch done exactly the same as the plate set as well. So all of her dining sets, all of her like bathroom sets, she's done them all separate so people can choose what kind of ones that they would actually want instead of buying like the whole set. Because with, especially with dining tables, like you get like plate sets, big plates, dinner plates, bowls and stuff, and obviously normally they come like as a pack of 4, so you get 4 big plates, 4 medium and 4 bowls. And some families nowadays have got more than 4 people living in a house, so obviously they would have to buy double. But where you're paying them all separately, you can just choose how many plates you want, you know, etc. And that's what she done with the bathroom accessories as well, so you can buy them all separately instead of buying the whole set, just in case you think, oh, I only wanted this and I didn't want anything else, you know. But yeah, and they're all the same style as the plates and bowl sets as well, and the cups, they're all like this like kind of stony effect, which I absolutely love. So I got that. So this is another one of a tray that I got. So I actually got, again, I've got another one of these. So this came as a complete set in eBay, on eBay. So this tray is, I do actually want to get another one, because one of them's going to go for the bathroom, so I can have obviously that there and the pump dispenser here, so that can be nice into the bathroom. And then exactly the same looking style for the kitchen, so I can have like the hand soap, the hand soap, and then little accessories in there. And then I do want to get another tray like this, just to go like in on my dressing table, so then I can pop my engagement ring on there and it'll look really, really nice. If you can hear any noises in the background, we've got the windows open. It is really, really hot. I was going to keep the curtain open, but it was just so bright and you wouldn't be able to see me. But yeah, I do want to get another one of these trays to sit on my dressing table, because every morning when I go to work I have to take my engagement ring off and the crown ring off, because we're not allowed to wear them at work. So this will be ideal just to pop my rings on first thing in the morning, so they're not scattered absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I do want to get another one of these. So that'd be the second one I've got now. Like I said, I do want to get another one. The reason why I bought this whole set again was for this. Like I said, in Home Bargains you can actually buy them all separately, but on eBay I tried my hardest just to find this alone, but I couldn't, so I had to buy the whole set again. So this is the toilet brush that Mrs. Hinch has done. Again, it's in the same kind of metallic look as the plates and all the bathroom accessories, so they're all matching and it all looks really, really lovely. And the difference between this toilet brush set than the normal one is this. So obviously normal toilet brushes has like the big round fluffy crunchy bit. I don't know what you explain that, but this is more like a silicone and it's a bit spiky and I actually quite like it. I've never seen anything like this before, so yeah, it looks weird but it looks really good at the same time, and it looks really, really nice and stylish, and I think it'll look perfect in like your bathroom with all the accessories together, the bath mat. Oh, it'll look absolutely lovely. And yeah, I cannot wait to actually obviously style that up. Yeah, I've never seen anything like that before. If anyone has ever seen like a toilet brush like that before, please let me know where, and if you've actually had one, how did you find it? Because I'm very intrigued. Again, this is another one that I already have, so you guys would have seen this in the last eBay Mrs. Hinch haul. So this is the soap dispenser. So again, I have two of these now. So one's going to go into the bathroom to have like hand soap in. This one is going to go into the kitchen. I don't know whether to put like hand soap in this one onto the kitchen so we can wash our hands in the kitchen and stuff, but yeah, I've got another one of these. So now we've got two sets of these. Again, they're all in the same kind of style. And again, it's got Mrs. Hinch logo there. I absolutely love it. If you guys are not keeping up on Mrs. Hinch's Instagram, you know that she has been teasing us with new drops coming. She's been released, well, she's going to release tea lights in the same scent as the candles, which I cannot wait until they drop. There is going to be loads more newness for the home collection as well, and new scents for the candles, which I can't wait. So the next thing that I got is a scalloped tray. Now, I have two minds of where this is going to go, or where I want it to go. Now, it could be like as a centerpiece on your dining table. You can pop like the vase in the middle with like the flowers or some candles. It look really, really nice on your dining table. Or if you've got a nice living room unit, again, that can sit there nicely with some candles and stuff on, or it can be placed absolutely anywhere. I thought I wanted to get one because obviously we will have our own place eventually, and I thought I don't really want to have any regrets on not getting anything, you know. Obviously with Mrs. Hinch's stuff, yeah, she does restocks, but once they're gone, they're gone. They're literally gone forever. I don't want any regrets in life thinking, oh, I wish I got this and this looks really nice. Like, I really wish I did purchase one because I could have styled it up really nice. So my motto is, if I see it, I'm going to try and get it. But yeah, I've got this scalloped tray. It's a wooden tray. It looks beautiful. It's quite big. It's bigger than my head. But yeah, I don't know how I'm going to style this up yet. I don't know where it's going to go, but all I know is for the meantime it's going to go in my storage box, well, wrapped up in bubble wrap so it don't get ruined, into the storage box, and that is where it's going to stay for the meantime. But yeah, I thought I really wanted it, and yeah, I don't want to miss out, and it looks absolutely beautiful, and I can style that up with so many different things. So the last two things to show you guys, so the second to last is a new throw. So again, you guys would have seen the last two throws that Mrs. Hinch has released, the two knitted throws. Unfortunately, you can't grab them, because this is what I mean. Once you see things of Mrs. Hinch, you have to grab them when you can, because once they're gone, they're gone. I did wanted, in theory, I did wanted to get another blue throw, but I can't find them absolutely anywhere. I can't find them in our Home Bargains. I can't find them on the Home Bargains website, not even on eBay. I literally can't find them nowhere. So this is your sign to, if you see something you like, grab it, because once it's gone for good. You won't be able to get it again. So I've got the blue, we've got the blue throw, we've got the beige throw, and they're both like big chunky knitted throws. So I would say they're more like a winter kind of throw. And I would say this one's more like a summer one. So this ain't exactly the big and the chunky as the other two, but it's still exactly the same size, which is 200 by 200 centimeters. So it's still as big, but it's not as chunky and knitted. So this is the Chanel throw, and it's really lightweight. It's in a lovely sage green colour. This will be perfect for like those summer days, especially like the weather we've got now. It's absolutely beautiful. It's really hot. You do want a little blanket just over evening when it's a little bit chilly. So this will be the perfect blanket. The knitted ones are more, like I said, they're more like the winter kind of throws. But yeah, I thought this is absolutely beautiful. I do like a sage green. I'm just not too keen on like the other kind of colour greens, but this is actually quite nice. I actually quite like this colour. But yeah, it's got the tassels at the bottom, and I absolutely love it. So the last thing I got, which I wasn't actually going to get another one of these, it's only until I saw someone on Instagram and how they styled it, and I thought that would be absolutely perfect for what I need. So I don't know how long it's going to be, because obviously I've got to finish off my dressing table first, but after the wedding I've got dressing table organisation to finish off, and obviously we've got new bedside tables coming. So I had originally on my wish list these white wicker storage baskets with the lids. I was going to have a few of them stacked up to have like all my Mrs. Hinch books in, my little colouring books and stuff. Yes, I know I'm 34 and I like colouring, but it's a de-stress as well, so don't come at me. But yeah, I was going to get them, and then I saw someone having one of these bad boys in like all the inserts in, and having like all their colouring books, Mrs. Hinch books, all the pens and pencils, even like highlighters and stuff, all nicely slotted in, and it looked absolutely beautiful. And I thought that is the kind of style that I was actually thinking of in my head, you know, but I couldn't find anything that would suit it. And then I thought to myself, do you know what, I'm going to get another one of these baskets. So these are the Mrs. Hinch wicker baskets. So again, I've already got one of these. This is another one. So my first one, it's got all my hairdryer, all my basically hair appliance in, and all my hair products in. So this one is going to go by the side of the bedside table with all my Mrs. Hinch books, colouring pens, etc. So it's all nice and neat and tidy, and it will slot nicely in the little gap as well, because the bedside tables we want to get are smaller than the ones we have. And if you guys have been an OG in my channel, then you guys will know what kind of bedside tables we are going to get. We're going to get them old bedside tables that we had ages and ages ago, with the drawer at the top and then like a little door where you got two shelves. We're going to get that again. So this will look perfect next to it to have everything inside it. And yeah, I didn't actually I wanted something to hold everything, but when I saw them wicker storage baskets, and I thought, yeah, they'll do, because I can stack them up and, you know, I can have everything all in there. And then on Instagram I saw someone with this wicker basket with everything in it, and I thought, that looks even more tidy, that looks more better, and it's easier just to grab things. So yeah, I got another wicker basket. Obviously I can't store that into place just yet because we've not finished everything. But yeah, that is everything from today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Again, if you have seen anything throughout this video and think, oh my god, that actually looked really nice, or I've seen that but I didn't want to like get it or anything, I'm going to tell you this now, so listen up. If you are a Mrs. Hinch fan and you have been umming and ahhing about any of her home bits, get them, because once she's released them, she does restocks. Once the restocks have gone, that is it, no more coming back. The only way you will get more stuff if she knows that people are in love with them, and she will try her hardest to do more restocks after the first restock. Then a miracle, absolutely miracle. But she says she has so many newness coming to her home stuff. She said she's literally got so much. Like I said, she's got the tea lights that she wants to release, she's got new scented candles that she wants to release, obviously loads more new home stuff that she wants to release. She said it's not even halfway through of what she wants to finish off, so there is so much more. So if you want any of the Mrs. Hinch stuff, grab them while you can, because we don't know how long this is going to last. We don't know if she's going to restock all of her first lot, like the first drop that she done, like with all the candles, the wine glasses, the tumblers. We don't know if she's going to restock any of them. So if you see anything and you like it, grab it before it goes. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you here. If you've enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Everything is down in the description box below, and I will leave it on the screen as well. Like, subscribe and the notification bell as well, so you're notified every time I upload. Make sure that is clicked on, because the next video is a little description of what's going on, because in the next video you have to pay attention, because there will be extra uploads just for 1 week only. And yeah, I've got a few things going on, so keep an eye out for the next video. So make sure your notifications bell on so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. The next video is a quick, it might be a short video, I don't know how long, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, nevertheless, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.